Okay, load 659, customer McGuire. We came this morning for a work order to install the sink for the apron sink. The original apron sink was 10 inches tall, and I wanted to do a video here to kind of explain what our issues have been. This is a standard deep sink base that is not a oversized deep sink base, which would be the shorter doors. So the face of this cabinet, from the door to the edge of the frame, is 9 3/8. That means a 9-inch apron with a 3/8 reveal to the door is the only sink that's going to fit here. Okay. Again, I'll come over here this side. See, it's 9 3/8 inches from the top of the door to the top of that. That is the 9-inch apron is the only thing that's going to fit and work there. If I take a look here on the interior, it's 34.5 inches to the inside from the other inside. So a 33-inch width is fine. It will work just fine in the width of it. But as far as the height of it, it will not work with anything greater than 9 inches tall. So here is the new sink that was ordered in. Took about a week to get here. And when we open the sink up, this sink is 9 7/8 inches tall. It literally is a 10-inch sink, the same thing they have in the store. When I looked at the specifications on the website, it shows an 8 3/4 interior depth. Now, when I say interior depth of the bowl, that's what it's talking about, and it's 8 inches at the side. It tapers to 8 3/4 to drain. So that's the interior depth of the sink, like how deep the sink is. Okay, then what we're looking for is the actual face apron width. And when you look at your description, it will say apron width or apron depth, and that has to be 9 inches for this to work. Now, the other measurement that I've got here on the length, 32 5/8 or whatever, no problem. That's a fine measurement. But when it comes to the thickness of the apron, bottom to top, it has to be 9 inches or less. Now, in the specifications of this sink, it says 8 inches or greater for some reason as the apron width, which is no information at all. It could be 15 inches wide. 8 inches or greater means whatever. So for this particular one, this sink is going to have to be returned. We're going to have to start over. Now, the porcelain type sinks that are cast iron, or the ones that are porcelain fire clay, those types of sinks, you're going to have to look and see if there's one available with a 9-inch apron. Sometimes the bowl depth will be 10 inches deep. It will be 10 inches, which means that when you open the doors, you actually still see like out here, you're still going to see part of the bowl under there, okay? So the bowl depth doesn't have anything to do with the apron width. The apron width is literally the face that comes through the cabinet. And that's the critical measurement that we need for this job. One more thing on this one. We had 2 doors, wall 3039s here that need to be replaced. We had a wall 3021 door that need to be replaced here. We have one additional door, another wall 3039 that needs to be replaced as well, the left-hand side. That is a new find from what we had originally. So go ahead and add a W3039 2-hour order for that one. That is an additional door to what was already ordered for the job. So please make sure that's on order for the customer. If you have any questions about this, what's that? Oh, and the shelf banding. Yeah, the W3039, the piece of shelf banding, shelf piece needs to be replaced. If you have any questions on this, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a good day.